We're going to set this up by just, first of all, looking at the page as it stands. I have 3 divisions. Each one has a paragraph tag, and each 3 have text. I'm going to go ahead and give the division its own ID here. So division ID equals, we'll go D1. My second division, we're going to give the ID of D2. And the third division, the ID of, D3. There we go. And what we're going to do, we're going to go over to the CSS page. I'm going to leave this here as a point of reference and my comments. And we're going to first start by calling to each of the divisions and just giving them a different background color. So we're going to still use the cheater words since they're here. We'll go green. D2 we'll give red. And the third one we'll give yellow. Give that one yellow. So let's go make sure, once we hit save here, that all 3 are able to connect. We've got to give them semicolons. When we look at it, there you go. So what we're going to do first is we're going to, let's do the first one first, the absolute positioning. Removes the element, allowing other elements capable to move into its space. So if we set it at absolute position, let's go ahead and what we're going to do, let's try doing it to the middle one, division 2. So we'll go into here and we're going to say that its position is going to be absolute. And therefore we need to tell it how it's going to be absolute, because if we go and look at it now, all it did was move the yellow tag behind it. Because remember, second one's red, so it took the yellow tag and moved it specifically right behind it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to then say top. I believe it's from the top of the web browser. We'll find out here in a second. 100 pixels. Let's save that, see what happened. Yep, it's from the top of the web browser. So if we go preview it, you can see it's still taking up a decent chunk of space. So we have to go move it a little bit more. Let's bump it up to 200. It's going to put it out here by itself a little bit. And that's okay, because we're just right now trying to demonstrate the differences here. We could also go back here and let's move in its left 50 pixels and its right 50 pixels. Let's go ahead and do that. Notice how it does it in relation to the web browser. So we have to account for, as we get more sophisticated into our building, how this is going to translate. So in short, that is absolute positioning, the different ways we can alter it, and how it works.